Alrighty, good morning everybody and welcome to Monday, August 23rd. So for today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to fix that because that was incorrect. So for today, we are going to be focusing on quite a bit. We're moving into some of our writing units. I want you guys to make sure that moving forward in the year, we know how to write, we know how to annotate articles. So we're going to be looking at an article this week. So let me get through some of the today's agenda. Today, our essential question has changed. We are looking at how you can identify and interpret key ideas from the text. We're going to be working with a text this week. Today specifically is odds 1, 3, 5, 7. For you guys have first nutrition and first lunch. Ms. Ornella's just be misspelling things everywhere. Okay. So for your do now, you're going to have your 30-day writing challenge. You're going to be doing day 1. I'll show you guys where to find that in just a moment. You're going to go under your Google Classroom, and you're going to go under right here where it says do now. You're going to click 30-day writing challenge journal. You're going to open up the journal, and inside every single day, it's going to have your journal that you're going to need to have. So it has, for day 1, it's going to have, the prompt is list 3 positive personal qualities that you like about yourself. Go ahead, write it out. Please give me complete sentences, ladies and gentlemen. I cannot stress that enough. Full and complete sentences. Okay. Then, you are going to go ahead. We talked a little bit about scholarly attributes, the assignment. I had a few of you who did not complete it. So we talked a little bit about that and what happens when you don't complete assignments in this class. Homework cards, ladies and gentlemen. So get it done. Then we're going to move into article annotations. So article annotations, that's how we're going to annotate in this class. I also left you some additional resources right here where it says, not under Habits of a Scholar, I apologize, right here. Under writing practice, you guys might see right here where it says annotation guide. This is going to be the guide we use to talk about annotating. So like the important parts, the questions you might have, just anything you have questions on. This is what we're going to have right here, okay? And then the actual article is here for you guys as well. You have to click it. For 3-4, I'm going to fix it for you guys because it's a little bit funky, but for the rest of you guys, you should have the articles. We're going to be annotating and reading this entire article today. I'm going to go through very quickly on this video on how to annotate because I do want to make sure you guys know if you are watching this video. So, first and foremost, when you are annotating right after you finish or even before you finish, make sure that you number each paragraph. It's going to help you when you're citing after. So if you can go back and refer to paragraph 3 of the article, do that. You're going to circle any words you do not know. You're going to look up, you're going to define them on the sides of the article. We're going to underline anything that's just important. We're going to highlight some of the main ideas or the important parts. We're going to summarize each paragraph. The paragraphs you're about to see are very small, so you're going to summarize them at the end of each page. And you're going to make connections to the text, to yourself, to the world, okay? So, and you're going to be highlighting with the yellow any the important parts, orange, any questions you have just in general. Vocabulary, you're not going to focus too much about that today, but we will use it in the future. Connections, again, connections to self, text to world, so these are the ones you are going to annotate. And then green, proof evidence, we're going to use that later on this week. So hang on to it, but we're not going to be using green and pink today. We'll be using the other 3 colors and these to help us annotate and break down these break down our article for today. Today we are going to be practicing scholar expectation number 6, I believe it is. And our scholar expectation is don't read to finish, ladies and gentlemen. Read to understand. We're going to be reading to really understand, and annotating is going to really help us do that. All right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school in an email, however you guys need to. All right, I'll see you guys in class.